is happening with me and my body? What is the truth here? The truth is that you are done, undone. This idea that you had today, that you feel full, yet depleted, empty. It's an interesting one to observe. You are full with anger, sadness, grief, and you are empty as you can't receive being so full. So now you need to go inside. Start expressing what you feel in your body, all the pain there, and don't give anymore so that there is space for you to receive. The more you give, the more you feel full and resentful. You don't express your pain, create more pain. As you are giving to get. You are giving to get love, to be seen, respected, heard, admired. It's not the giving, but the intention behind. And the more you give to feel loved, to bypass the pain. The resentment, the anger, the sadness, the more pain you are creating. So stop, my love. Stop. Feel, express. Go inside. Let your wisdom grow inside of you. Nourish you. Feed you. Let the waters of your crying soothe the fire of your anger. Feel your body, ground in it. Stay inside, anchor inside. Embody this wisdom that actually is your body wisdom and receive, receive, receive. Close your eyes and feel how it feels. Receive. Create space and receive. Silence. The sacred silence. You are enough just by being. Only my presence is enough. I am God's child. I am beyond worthy. You are God's child, and you are beyond worthy. Hi! Thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.